I'm Kevin.
And I'm Stacy.
We've recently become empty nesters and started a new phase of our life.
Adventure.
We're not full-time RVers.
Although I would really like to be.
Or full-time travelers.
I would like that too. But we are full-time job working people, making the most out of any moment that we have.
We love adventures and sharing with others.
Our goal is to live life fully enjoying and cherishing every moment that we have.
Our motto is to be free in everything you do.
So join us as we celebrate life by appreciating every adventure that we are blessed with. Be free.
Be free.
During our cruise to the British Virgin Islands, we made a stop at one of my very favorite islands, Tortola.
We decided to embark on an excursion to Virgin Gorda Baths, which is one of the top attractions in the British Virgin Islands.
So here's the thing though, I was really excited about going to Tortola because I love it so much. It's so beautiful and has fantastic beaches. But I didn't realize that to go to the baths, we were actually leaving Tortola and going to Virgin Gorda.
To get to the Virgin Gorda Baths, we took about a 30 to 45 minute boat ride.
And the views on the way to the baths were spectacular. Virgin Gorda is the third largest island in the British Virgin Islands.
Once we got to Virgin Gorda, we took an open air taxi to the baths. That took approximately 20 minutes.
Life is beautiful.
This attraction is a national park.
There's a small fee to get into the baths.
Once you pay the fee, you do have to take a short hike down to the baths. So I suggest that you really make sure that you have some good shoes to walk down to the baths, and you definitely need water shoes for once you get to the baths.
And fill my sky with stars. And in my heart I know, everywhere I go,
once you get down to the beach area, enjoy hiking through the giant boulders and caverns and pools and doing some exploring.
Life is wonderful. I feel my heart beat to a different time.
There are some difficult parts that you have to climb up or climb down, and you just need to be aware of that. It does get tight and it can be a little challenging. You can swim in the beautiful water depending on where you're at. If you're near the rocks, it can get kind of rough and dangerous.
There are also restrooms available and a concession stand and a gift shop near the beach area.
The trip to the baths was really unique. It was almost like caving while being on the beach, so it was really a great experience and very enjoyable.
I really did enjoy it. However, I am going to say that I really loved Tortola, and I was kind of disappointed that I didn't get to spend the time on Tortola. So if I were to go again, I would have to say that I would spend my time on Tortola. However, I do think that everybody should go to the baths at least once because it's a pretty unique experience. Hey friends, if you like this video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it.